Okay, so I am always on the lookout for an awesome new campsite, and I've just come across this place. It's the Point Leo Foreshore Camping Reserve. It's on the Western Port Bay side of Victoria's Mornington Peninsula, about 2 hours drive south of Melbourne, and it's absolutely fantastic. This place is actually more or less in my own backyard, and I'm only just now getting around to checking it out. And I'll tell you what, I am glad I did. The facilities here are very well maintained, and best of all, you've got the beach right there on your doorstep. Now, apparently there are a number of surf breaks in the Point Leo area, but look, to be honest, the beach there next to the camping reserve, it's quite rocky. There's some rock pools, seaweed, that sort of thing. So not really the kind of place you would do fishing or surfing. You probably have to walk down the beach a little bit for that. But nonetheless, it's just a beautiful spot. And if native wildlife is your thing, you're not going to be disappointed. I'd stepped out of the car and 5 minutes later spotted an echidna just off over there in the scrub. It's actually quite a big place as well. There's 168 camping sites here. 45 of those are powered, and most of the sites are open year round. But as you could imagine, this time of year over summer, the peak period, it gets busy, so you really do need to book ahead. In fact, a lot of people, I believe, go into a lottery system just to get here over the summer. Unfortunately for dog owners, they do have strict rules against dogs, and you can't have campfires here either. As for water, there are some shared taps around the site. The individual sites don't have water, but the water that is available at the shared taps is potable, it's town water and perfectly drinkable. But my goodness, the Point Leo Foreshore Camping Reserve, it's absolutely beautiful. As I said, I'd heard about it, never been here, but I could well and truly see myself camped up here for at least a week. I'll put the link in the description for more information, and if you get the chance, if you're in the area, make sure you make a booking and check it out for yourself.